Manchester Airport. Need to get a trolley. A trolley! Yeah, this is the trolley. Welcome to Terminal 2. After how many years, me and baby will going to go. Before you will going to get that trolley, you need to pay. Then get it. That's it. It's not free. Everything need to pay. Guys, we are here in Manchester Airport. Joyce, what do you feel? Are you excited? Yan ang aming mga bagahe. What do you feel? Excited? Sleepy? We'll find. We'll just wait for Daddy. We'll just... And Daddy's departure. Going to eat before going to the plane. Yan ang pagkain ng aking anak. Ang burger. Yan ang burger ni Mr. Ang laki. 44 pounds. And charging point. You can charge your phone here. Like that. Charging point. Gutom. Kain tayo. Ginutom kami. Yan, ang daming tao dito. Now, oh, pretty. Hey, we're here in our place. Boarding. Naka-board na kami. Ito yung aking upuan. kita?
No, I'm actually connected to
Hello, we're here in Jeddah now. Hi guys. Dito, ayun, may nakita ko McDonald. Joyce, there's a McDonald there. There, oh. McDonald. Kahanap nga ng mabili. Magkano? Bibilhan mo ako, Joyce. You're going to buy for me? Bibili sila ng tubig kasi nauhaw ako. I'm thirsty. Ganyan si Daddy, excited na siya bumaba kahit nasa dulong-dulo kami ng eroplano. Gusto na niyang bumaba kasi sa tagal pa naman na nakaupo lang, mga 8 hours ata kami nakaupo. Tinanong sila, excited na talaga na. Lahat excited na bumaba, lahat excited na lumabas ng eroplano at makita ang mga mahal sa buhay. Siyempre ako din, gusto ko rin makita yung aking tutulugan ng hotel. Joyce, how about you? Sleep. You want to sleep? Okay. Hello mga kabayan. Nandito na kami. Yan, ito yung Manila. Manila, Manila, Manila. Magandang lugar ng Manila. Ganda, no? Yung mga paserong nag-aantay din ng kanilang flight. Sila naman susunod. Yung laces. Welcome. Baggage claim there. Immigration there. Ganda ng airport. Ganda dito ng kanan. Catherine Bernardo. Charging station. Well, ako yung design. Palawan, Philippines. International transfer. Nasa immigration ako guys, mag-stop na po pag-take ng video. Bawal na. Yan, immigration. Thermal. Ito yung transfer. Transfer pala dyan. Hindi kami transfer. Kami muna mag-stay for one night. Kasi gusto kami magpahinga. Kasi may pasalubong. Duty free nila. Pili ka ng ano, maligayang pagdating. Yan, si Mr. daw bibili. Bibili daw si Mr. ng pasalubong. Yun ang ano, immigration. Pili doon. Love the Philippines. Doon ka, picturean kita doon. Love Philippines. Ito, take a picture mo. Ito mo picturean kita doon.
Forget memories we won't regret. Oh, JJ, do you remember old times in December?
Package. Yan, ng aming package. Ito na nga ang baggage namin. Yan. Wala na. Dami pa rin tao nag-claim ng baggage. Yan, dito, kung gusto mo mag-withdraw ng Philippine peso, yan, doon yung mga, ano, video, doon punta si Mr. Pakalabas lang namin. Tapos, doon naman napunta kung may, ano ka, bus, transportation, tapos ito yung taxi.
Song sung under moon's glow.